Hi guys, I'm back. I'm so excited today. I'm gonna do the review for this Olaplex number 4 Blonde Enhancer. I love the name already. I just dyed my hair last week and I'm so in love with it. I just wish it's a little bit blonde, more blonde than this, but I bleached for only 2 times, so I have really dark hair, so maybe that's why. Doesn't look like white silver, that's what I want, but this is all I got, and my scalp is itchy already, and so excited to do the review today. What do you guys think? This is nighttime. I'm not sure if the hair color caught on camera nicely or not. Anyway, let's do the review. My god, it's so purple. Looks so rich. Smells kind of weird. I think they have some fragrance, but it smells a lot like some syrupy, like medicine. Anyways, let's see how it looks. It's been 5 minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. And I think I leave it for around 5 minutes. And now I'm so excited to take it off, so let's do it. Hopefully the conditioner wouldn't disrupt anything. In my opinion, I think it looks more ashy, like ash blonde kind of thing. Before it was a little bit more orange, but damn hair would be darker, so I think it's changed a lot. What do you guys think? So let me detangle the hair and I'm gonna put some hair oil on. So as usual, I'm gonna use with brush. It's easy to detangle. I don't feel it drier. I use a L'Oreal one. It smells the best, but I feel like it makes my hair a little bit drier when you leave it for a long time. That's just my opinion though. I kind of like that how it looks right now. It looks so like some kind of more blonde. I don't know. Anyways, I'm using Ego Tool air dry brush. I have this one for years and it's still as good as new. And to enhance everything, I'm gonna use Kerastase hair oil. I think this one of the best hair oil for dye hair, color treated hair. Just gonna use few drops only. I have really short hair now. that's about it. I think normally when I take off the hair towel, it looks like bigger, the hair is bigger, it's not as soft as this one. And now I have short hair, I don't want it to be flat, but who knows, let's see. And I'm gonna blow dry my hair using this attachment. And I only take like 1 to 2 minutes to do it, and I really love short hair now. And that's it, so quick. Next step, I'm gonna put some wax on it. I still don't know how to style, honestly, but one thing, I feel like my hair is way softer with this one. Like you can feel it's the expensive thing would make your hair feels amazing, and this is what I'm feeling right now. Doesn't have the orange tint anymore. It's for the studio light, but we will see tomorrow. Anyway, I'll be right back for the daylight catch up tomorrow. But overall, I feel it didn't feel this soft before. Good morning, guys. I'm back. This is the next day. My scalp feels so soft. My hair is way softer than before. It doesn't feel like the color treated hair that is stiff. And it's like a brand new. It's like, doesn't feel like just a purple shampoo, but this one also like, I just had a treatment or something and it looks so good. It get rid of the orange tone, so I feel like it makes your hair more cooler tone. Even though my hair is not like super silver or anything, any kind of stuff, but I would say it looks more ashy, cooler tone. I think everybody would love that kind of tone better than the orange one. Even though in the orange, I think I kind of love it, but I'm bored of orange tone now. I've been doing that for years. And anyways, guys, I have nothing bad to say about this one except the price. And the packaging, I think, is too basic. But this brand is everywhere, it's so famous. And I read the instruction on the Sephora website. It said to leave it for the maximum result for 5 minutes, and I did that. And I see it for the first time that I used. What do you guys think? I hope it looks good on camera, but can you see it well? I feel like I have such a good hair day. Hopefully I come back to give you more updates, and thank you so much for watching, guys. And this is the second hair wash. Second hair wash. Hi guys, I just bleached my hair, and I hope this time is light enough for you guys and for me. And this time it burns so much. I don't think I would bleach my hair again, but anyways, just for the review, let's do it. Alright guys, I am back, and I just bleached my hair. It burns my scalp and it's itchy to the core, but it's okay. I really love it, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Luckily, I haven't posted the video of Olaplex purple shampoo, so I think I'm gonna use this again. If I'm going bald, I would know that lesson, but hopefully that's not gonna happen. Let's do the review. 3 weeks ago when I dyed my hair, I think this kind of blonde, but it's not that blonde, and I dyed my hair again. And this one saved me so much from that brassy yellow orange tone. And this time I'm so excited to review and use it again on my hair. My first watch after I dye this color, I use this one Chauvin's Cough, and I'm so in love with this one. It's way more affordable and smells so good and nourishing my hair and my scalp so good. But I really loved this one, but I haven't tried on my new hair. And my black hair is growing, so I need to do the review ASAP. Right, let's do the review. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm so excited to take a look at my hair. This is the first time that I pair Olaplex with the Aveda Color Control. Anyways, I used this shampoo with my last hair dye before, but this time it's more blonde, and I'm so excited to just use this again. I had really good time with this one. I think it hydrates scalp so good, nourish the hair really well, and neutralize the color. And it looked so classic. It looks nice, but I have to dry it first, I think. One thing that I have incorporated with my routine is the scalp serum. This one is the Invitai serum from Aveda as well. And I've been using this one and reviewing this one also. So, I'm gonna use my wet brush and this Eco Tools brush that I love it so much. Thank God, guys. Last week I had like bumpy skin, flaky skin, scalp skin all over my head, and it was so bad. But now it's way better. Now I'm gonna dye my hair again, so I need to review these. Thanks. Guys, I'm not so sure, but my hair takes a lot of time to make it bigger. I'm not sure if it's just me putting too much products on, or maybe I don't use the light one that I'm supposed to use. It absorbs to the hair so nicely. My hair feels really soft, but my scalp feels a lot better, so it's soothing for my itchy scalp really well. And those flaky stuff are gone. I'm so glad. Hi guys, I am back, and this is the next day. I would like to take all of that back. I think the light in my room is kind of orangey color, and it reflects on the hair. So as you can see, I haven't felt this good about my hair in years. It's the silkiest smooth that I ever felt. So these two combination are the best out of this world. I would say I don't mind spend this much on these products. It looks so silky. The color is so classic. I look like Royalist. The color looks so realistic. It's not that platinum blonde, but it's not a bad color. It still looks so beautiful and super blonde and more cooler tone than it used to be before. So I'm so impressed, and it's the softest feeling that I ever felt. Scalp not itchy anymore.